title fights after title fights at JackHammer UK. The next bout is for the WKA World Kickboxing title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. Making her way to the blue corner, Lilly Anderson.
Lilly Anderson, no stranger to JackHammer UK.
And the facer making her way to the red corner, Jessica Cardosa.
Stepping over the top rope, very confident.
This fight is for the WKA World Kickboxing title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. Proudly sponsored by DS Plastering, EMPM Limited, Donovan Winch, JNP Landscape, JDL Decorators, TSR, Tan Sleep and Repeat. In the blue corner, representing Falcons, she is the 2-time ICO European Champion, ISKA European Champion, and WKU World Champion. Her name is Lilly the Hammer Anderson. And in the red corner, fighting out of Portugal, her name is Jessica Cardosa. Title fight, WKA World Title Kickboxing. This is Lilly the Hammer Anderson versus Jessica Cardosa. Pushing forwards, Lilly the Hammer Anderson. Jessica Cardosa on the back foot against the ropes. Lilly the Hammer Anderson truly trying to put the nail in the and putting the hammer on the head. Jessica Cardosa fighting back out the corner. Jessica throwing her right hand, backing up Lilly, but Lilly now fighting forward again after regaining. Both in the center of the ring now. The right hand of Lilly the Hammer Anderson finding her way onto Jessica Cardosa. Pushing forwards with a front kick, and then finding her flurry straight to the head of Jessica Cardosa. Jessica fighting her way out against the ropes. Lilly Anderson throwing her right leg into Jessica Cardosa's body. The action, fast and furious, straight from the belt. Throwing the kick and returning one herself from Jessica Cardosa. Lilly Anderson pushing Jessica further towards the corner of the blue side. And rushing in with a kick and then following with a flurry. Cardosa fighting back. A flurry of punches straight to the head. And that is time, end of round one. Now this is for the WKA world title, and it was as expected. Full of world title action straight from the bell. The corners of seeking, finding, helping the fighters, giving them their advice onto how to handle round number two. The ladies are taking it all in. You can see they both knew it was going to be a war. But the forward push of Lilly the Hammer Anderson was finding Jessica on the back foot straight from the bell. They're bringing it on to round number two. Seconds out, round two.
Yeah, we're coming into the second round now. Lilly Anderson facing off against Jessica.
Head kick from
Cardosa.
Lilly Anderson.
Yeah, Lily's looking strong. She's come here to prove a point today. She wants that second world title.
It has turned into a brawl onto the side of the ring, onto the ropes.
You see, I'm no stranger of Lily's work, and I've seen the fights that she's had. She is not bothered. She'll have a crack. She's not bothered.
The heart from Cardosa is there. She continues to fight back.
Good right hand from Lilly though, that. Very good right hand. What have I missed, Gurge? Because I was just having a little tiddle break.
The Lilly Hammer Anderson has been doing a forward action right from the bell. And as you can see, it's still happening now in round number two.
That's Lily's style. That is pressure, pressure, pressure. And it works very well for her. But regardless of the pressures, she's a clean kickboxer.
Absolutely, you could see the power, the pressure from her leg, and then forward with her hands straight to Cardosa's face.
Yeah. These two have fought before though, haven't they?
They have.
I thought so. On JackHammer as well, wasn't it?
Yes.
I thought so, yeah. I commentated that one as well. But because I'm so brilliant, I can't remember. I've commentated quite a few since then. But Lilly Anderson is a quality fighter.
Hundreds of real fights.
Every time I see Lilly Anderson's name on a fight card, I know we're in for a good night because she can go. She can scrap.
You can see she's pushing forward once again.
Yeah.
Now she finds herself against the ropes, but the referee calls it, and they're bringing it back into the action. Attempting a head kick from Cardosa, but catching it on the guard.
Yeah, he caught on the guard. Yeah, Lily's very good at defending while she's attacking. What we've seen a lot is
that's time. End of round number two.
What we've seen a lot is as people are throwing their attacks, they're dropping the other hand, so they're attacking, but they're not thinking about defending. This is what shows the levels. When you're attacking, you're always defending at the same time. So you're throwing your right hand, you're blocking with your left, vice versa.
The fatigue setting in for fighters, losing their guard and protection.
I'd quite like to see Lilly do the no-shin professional kickboxing, I would, to be fair. She's definitely that caliber, 100%.
I can surely see her working her way to the Pro League in JackHammer UK. We've seen
100%.
amazing action. And we are going to see action from the Pro League later on today.
We are.
Actually, from Hayley Kylie and Macy.
It's the next fight.
It's the next
It's
fight,
the next
indeed.
fight, yeah. But this is what I'm saying. The ladies, for example, Lilly, Hayley Keeley, Macy Lewis, they're all top level. These are the people you want on your show. If you're a promoter, these are who you want.
I totally agree with you there, Mitch. These are the high levels that we see. Seconds out, round 3.
Nice body kick though from Jessica. Lilly is a pressure fighter though. She wants to be on the inside.
Taking the leg and then following with the hands.
Very good exchange. Body kick lands from Jessica, straight back to the clinch.
The
Lilly lands multiple right hands to the body inside the clinch.
The ladies exchanging one-on-one,
Yeah,
head-to-head.
This is a scrap, Gurge. This
Absolutely.
is a scrap.
Toe-to-toe from both ladies. On the first rounds, I had it for Lilly, but you can see Cardosa is not letting it go. She's firing back. Lilly Anderson.
Oh, nice
pushing
body
her.
kick that. That was a nice body kick. This has been even Stevens from what I've seen, to be fair. Very good matchup from the JackHammer team. Very identical styles as well. Very, very, very similar styles.
Cardosa.
Lilly should have capitalised then. When she missed, yes.
Cardosa's trying to find her flow now and pushing forward herself.
But she's not having success with it though, because Lilly is firing back every single time.
Lilly getting hit by some of the shots, but not
Where's the
affecting her
sweep?
whatsoever.
Where's the sweep?
There is definitely an opportunity for a sweep right there. Will the ladies take it?
Oh, nice boxing. Nice boxing work from Lilly Anderson. That's a very good pedigree, really. Yeah, that's good boxing pedigree from Lilly Anderson there.
The forward work from Lilly Anderson looks like it's paying off.
This is the stuff we like to see. Because without being biased, I'm English, Lily's English. Boxing is English, so she should have the better boxing.
And that is time. Time, end of round number 3.
Good fight so far, Gurge. What's your opinion on that, mate?
Straight from the bell, it's been like hell in JackHammer. I'm telling you, it's been amazing fighting right there. And I'm ready to start freestyling with everybody on this one. I'll be back in a second.
I think you should start freestyling.
I'll start freestyling a little bit.
On the mic, go on.
On the mic? Nah, you lot will save it for a second.
Pressure creates diamonds.
We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it go berserk. Game.
I don't know
Rip
about
up
you,
that
Jake.
shirt. I don't care if it's
Well,
trained.
Jake,
I don't
well,
care if it
Jake
hurts.
goes
Who
from
wants
the
a
fight,
sweetie?
doesn't
Who wants a
100%,
sweetie?
This
yeah.
is why,
Who
this
wants
is
a
why it's
sweetie?
very popular.
Who wants a sweetie? You get a sweetie. All right, okay, all right. Who wants a sweetie? Hello, young man. Seconds out. Round 4. That is time and the round number 4. Give me some more.
I've got Lilly winning this. Well, like I say, I've said it before, and I'm definitely going to say it again. I'm not no judge. I'm just here saying what I see and seeing what I say, or something like that. Yeah, this is a really good performance in my opinion from Lilly Anderson. She's looking strong as well. Very dominant. Last time I saw her fight against Hayley Keeley, and she wasn't having as much success in the clinch or in the exchanges as what she's having now. She's looking very strong. I would quite like to see Lilly and Hayley Keeley again, I would, to be fair. Bearshin, proper kickboxing action at a catch weight. Lilly needs to keep ripping that body while they're in that clinch, or sweep the leg out. It's been there, the old, oh, good side kick, like that. Good shot from Lilly, caught her off balance. Nice again from Lilly. But I'm not seeing many teeps, I'm not seeing many sweeps. There's a lot of stuff that I feel like was missing from this that would edge Lilly this fight. For example, when they get in the clinch, sweep that leg out. Like now, just sweep that leg out.
Ooh, nice shot there though.
Yeah, she's looking sharp, isn't she?
Yeah.
Her boxing pedigree's really improved. From last time I saw her, she looks quality today. This is world title level, this is. Knee referee. Good body kick there from Jessica, but Lilly does return. Sweep that leg out, Lilly. Get that gone. Nice body kick from Jessica, but Lilly does return. I do apologise for coaching the fighters as they're going, but I'm just saying what I'm seeing. I'm just saying what does need to happen. Like now, for example, that leg needs to go. It needs to go for a walk around Kamek. That's what needs to happen. But I am impressed with Lilly. Her boxing has impressed me today. Very short. Yeah, she set her kicks up very, very well. She landed a couple nice head kicks in this fight. A couple that landed flush in the face. Toes for teeth. Feet for breakfast. Very good fight. Good fight. Very good fight that was. And another brilliant matchup from the JackHammer team. I enjoyed watching that. I did. I enjoyed watching that. Don't get me wrong, Jessica was putting the pressure on from belt to belt, but I feel like Lilly was having more success with the cleaner shots. She was setting the shots up a little bit better. I'll be honest, I'd like to see another one, because this is very, very even. These two, stylistically, brilliant matchup. Very similar style.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can you please make some noise for this amazing title bout?
What a fight.
Wow.
Well done, ladies. Well done, ladies.
And your winner and your WKA World Kickboxing Champion is in the blue corner, Lilly the Hammer Anderson.
And rightly so. Well done, Lilly. Yeah, and rightly so. Well done, Lilly Anderson. She didn't come here to mess about today.
No.
She did not come here to mess about today. But well done to Jessica, though. Much respect to her. Yeah, I think it was the boxing that did that for Lilly there. Her boxing was sharp today.